Here at CRUZ Institute, we are looking for the student to find an opportunity to grow and develop as a professional in all the different programs that we offer in short term. CRUZ Institute accommodates the reality of our students who doesn't have a lot of time to study, but this should not be an obstacle to develop their careers professionally. Our programs are air conditioning, heating, and electricity. Come and visit us. We are located at 1272 John John Parkway, Kissimmee, or you can call 407-530-5951. Also, you can visit us through our website www.cruzinstitute.com. CRUZ Institute is licensed by Florida Department of Education.